Chelsee Snell, Cabinteely FC, Aobhainn.
Because her brother played a lot of football, anytime I was going training, Chelsea had to tag along.
So every Tuesday and Thursday night we trained, she was there from probably the time she could walk.
Dad coached Jamie, I think he was like up to 12s, 11s or something, and they were short players. So Dad put me in as a goalkeeper, and I was only a tiny little thing, the jersey was swinging on me. I don't remember it, but that's the story that goes around the family. So I started my football career with Ghlac New. I was with the boys up until I couldn't be with them anymore. I trialled for Wexford Youths, so I signed with Wexford, and that's how I kind of got into League of Ireland. So I played with them for a year or two. So then I went to Bowes, and I played with Bowes for one season, and then kind of COVID hit, and that's when I took the time out.
Laling na pandéma, honnig ceannas Ghlac Chelsea.
When Aobhainn got sick, we were all just devastated. We didn't know what to do, we didn't know what was happening. Chelsea took over the mother's role. She done everything. She's been a godsend with her mother, so very good.
That was a tough time.
Yeah, very tough time. Yeah, so.
At first we were kind of really stressed because we obviously didn't know. We knew she was sick. We were kind of just waiting to see what stage, how sick she was and stuff like that. So it was really stressful going up and down. And I kind of just felt sorry for Mum the most because it was COVID, so none of us could actually go in with her. So when Mum had to get her operation and stuff, she was in the hospital by herself. We couldn't visit.
Obviously it wasn't easy for everyone, but she definitely sacrificed the most.
Meant I could go out to work, keep few bob coming in, keep the roof over her, and Chelsea just took over. She was great. Without her, we'd have been totally lost.
She's in remission now. Her hair's growing back. That was a scary stage when she had no hair. But her hair's growing back now. She's in great form. She gets tired. Like when we were on holidays, if we did walking one day, she's really tired the next. But we're kind of just juggling together as a family and balancing it.
Tá bishach take Ghlac Chelsea, rud a chialín, go bhfuil Chelsea dírithe chursaí soccer a ríist.
Yeah, I think now that Mam's got the all clear, Chelsea definitely thinks that she can go back playing sports, and I would have questioned if she ever would have.
The reason Chelsea applied for Underdogs, one of her friends got in touch with her, and I had been trying to encourage her to get back, to get fit and all.
The Underdogs so far, it's been a roller coaster. It's fun. The intensity was way harder than I expected. Maybe it's because I haven't played League of Ireland so long, I forgot how intense soccer is. But the first trial, I wasn't expecting the girls to be so intense, but the ball was zooming around. And I've noticed ever since the first trial, the intensity keeps lifting and lifting.
I'd like to think Chelsea go all the way. Definitely think she has the ability to make the final squad. It's a second chance for Chelsea. I'm delighted she's doing it. I know it's tough, but I'm delighted she's back in playing some kind of football. And the Underdogs hopefully gets her back to the League of Ireland.
Very proud of her. Absolutely thrilled, over the moon with her.
Underdogs, a go forward to the Airbird.